Vaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Tvam na sandarshito dhatra. Dushtaram nishtitir satam.
Dustaram Nishtitir Satam.
Kalim sattvaharam pumsam.
Kalim Sattvaharam Pumsam.
Karnadhara ivarnavam.
Karnadhara Ivarnavam.
Okay, who would like to read the translation? Yes. To unmute.
We think that we have met your goodness by the will of providence, just so that we may accept you as captain of the ship for those who desire to cross the difficult ocean of Kali, which deteriorates all the good qualities of a human being. Purport. The age of Kali is very dangerous for the human being. Human life is simply meant for self-realization. But due to this dangerous age, men have completely forgotten the aim of life. In this age, the lifespan will gradually decrease. People will gradually lose their memory, finer sentiment, strength, and better qualities. A list of the anomalies for this age is given in the 12th canto of this work. And so this age is very difficult for those who want to utilize this life for self-realization. The people are so busy with sense gratification that they completely forget about self-realization. Out of madness, they frankly say that there is no need for self-realization because they do not realize that this brief life is but a moment on our great journey towards self-realization. The whole system of education is geared to sense gratification. And if a learned man thinks it over, he sees that the children of this age are being intentionally sent to the slaughterhouses of so-called education. Learned men, therefore, must be cautious of this age, and if they at all want to cross over the dangerous ocean of Kali, they must follow the footsteps of the sages of Naimisharanya and accept Sri Suta Goswami for his bona fide representative as the captain of the ship. The ship is the message of Lord Krishna in the shape of Bhagavad Gita or the Srimad Bhagavatam. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So Rakshana Mataji, does it bring any memories?
Yes, Prabhuji. Now you were, I mean, in between some laughing and then slaughterhouse thing you mentioned, Prabhuji, like from Prabhupada saying the slaughterhouse of education. Yeah. Now, and after reading this, it's clear also. Sorry, Prabhuji, for me you have to repeat it. Sorry.
It's always good to keep reading, so we don't mind revising. So, if you remember yesterday, I was mentioning in the 12th canto, there is a whole chapter actually on this. And just reading through the translation of the chapter will make you smile that actually exactly these things are happening here. Symptoms of the Kali Yuga. So this whole chapter is talking about this. Maybe we can just read a few lines of the paragraph just so that people can get a little idea. So who would like to read text 1? We will just read the translation. Maybe everybody can read three shlokas translation. So who wants to start first?
I can do that, Prabhuji.
Yes, start from there.
Text 1. Sukadeva Goswami said, then, O king, religion, truthfulness, cleanliness, tolerance, mercy, duration of life, physical strength, and memory will all diminish day by day because of the powerful influence of the age of Kali. Text 2. In Kali Yuga, wealth alone will be considered the sign of man's good birth, proper behavior, and fine qualities. And law and justice will be applied only on the basis of one's power. Text 3. Men and women will live together merely because of superficial attraction, and success in business will depend on deceit. Womanliness and manliness will be judged according to one's expertise in sex, and a man will be known as a Brahmana just by his wearing a thread. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So day by day, these things are going to diminish. This shloka is actually very important. Tataschanu dinam dharma satyam shaucham shama daya kalena valira rajan nangshati ayu bralam smriti. That with the power of time, all these things are going to go away. Ayu, balam, and smriti, all of them. Okay. So who would like to read next? 4 to 6.
Prabhuji, I can.
Yes.
A person's spiritual position will be ascertained merely according to the external symbols, and on that same basis, people will change from one spiritual order to the next. A person's propriety will be seriously questioned if he does not earn a good living, and one who is very clever at juggling words will be considered a learned scholar. Text 5. A person will be judged unholy if he does not have money, and hypocrisy will be accepted as virtue. Marriage will be arranged simply by verbal agreement, and a person will think he is fit to appear in public if he has merely taken a bath. Text 6. A sacred place will be taken to consist of no. I'm so sorry, Babuji. A sacred place will be taken to consider of no more than a reservoir of water located at a distance, and beauty will be thought to depend on one's hairstyle. Filling the belly will become the goal of life, and one who is audacious will